ever wondered how to start a business? Well, the first step is becoming official with the government. In this video, we will show you how to start a business using the IRS website. We will walk you through the steps for a sole proprietorship in obtaining an EIN, that is, an Employment Identification Number. All the steps are easy to accomplish, and most importantly, it is free to register with the government. I will also be providing a link in the description below. A few things you'll need before you get started are your name of the business, the address, your social security number, or another EIN number so that you can register the business with either one. On this next screen, you'll see the link to apply for an EIN. Again, follow steps 1, 2, and 3, and click on the box that says Apply Online Now. On this next screen, click OK to begin the application. You also have to hit the application button. As stated earlier, we're going to apply for a sole proprietorship, which is at the top. Next, click sole proprietorship twice and continue. The next screen gives you a description on what a sole proprietorship is. You don't need to worry about that. That's time for another video between an LLC and a sole proprietorship. After clicking continue, this will bring you to the authentication screen. Here's where you will put your address in, your name, and your other credentials. Here, as you can see, it wants you to verify your physical location. You will have two options. I usually click the second option, which is highlighted in yellow. After you've had an opportunity to put in all the address, you're going to put the name that you're planning on doing business, the date it was started, and the county and state. This particular example, our business was a media and internet-based business, so we click no for everything. Depending on your business, you'll have an opportunity to pick from the list provided, or you can hit other, just like I have here, and write in what the business is based on. After choosing the type of business, you're almost complete. You can choose between receiving the letter now via PDF or in the mail. After reviewing all the information for accuracy, you're on your way. The final page gives you additional information about your EIN, such as opening a bank account, applying for business licenses, and filing a tax return. Congratulations, this is the letter you should receive. And so, as always, please enjoy the content.